As the nation grapples with the headless farmers crisis, the Nigerian army seems poised to play a strategic role, as it is going beyond carrying arms to ensure security to supporting the nation's effort towards reviving agriculture. At the Nigerian Army farms and ranches located in Gri on the outskirts of the nation's capital, the Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General Tukur Buratai, is accompanied by the Minister of Agriculture and Rural Development, Chief Audu Ogbe, on an inspection tour of the facility. For Lieutenant General Buratai, the project is the Army's contribution to the nation's food security.
This is a program that was initiated just about 1.5 years ago. And I tell you, as of today, we have almost 1,000 heads of cattle within the Nigerian Army barracks and formations. Actually, it started with the ranches, and then we went into other areas like poultry, fisheries, and even vegetable growing and the rest. And you will agree with me, once we have food security, all other forms of insecurity, including the insurgency in the northeast, militancy, kidnapping, and a host of other criminal activities, will be drastically reduced. I believe agriculture will greatly reduce the high rate of unemployment among our teeming youth.
The ranch, which is part of the Barracks Investment Initiative program of the Army, is stocked with over 30 tons of feed concentrates, machines for making feeds, and grass seeds for producing pasture. The Ministry of Agriculture showed their support for the initiative by presenting some agriculture machineries to the Army.
For nearly 40 years, we forgot the farms. We spent $5 million a day importing rice, $18 million a year importing toothpicks, $100 million a year importing honey, $400 million a year importing tomato paste. I can go on and on. And we kept asking, what is wrong with us? What do we do when we wake up from sleep? Why is there no production of anything in our country? And thank God we got broke in 2015. And then it dawned on us that we can't keep waiting for shiploads to deliver sugar, cookies and biscuits, ice cream powder, milk. I can go on and on forever. Here we are, looking at cattle. And let the message go forth from here. I appeal to you in the media. When we say we want to do the same everywhere in the country, it's not a fairy tale. It is doable. At least the Army has proved it.
To the glory of God and the development of our country, we offer this. Thank you.
Sitting on a vast land which could accommodate several thousands of cows, the ranch has 2 breeds of about 300 cows, and the Army is planning to replicate this at all its formations across the country.